Hey friends, we're here to do a cash stuffing. It's the last cash stuffing of July. How is that even possible? I say that every time. I need to stop saying that. Hi, how are you? Are you having a good weekend? I hope so. This video should have aired Friday. It's going to now air Saturday because my previous video should have aired Wednesday and it aired Thursday and I didn't realize it till I posted it, and okay, you don't care. Hi, let's get started. Okay, let's check rollover first. So do you guys have, okay, well, let me tell you about me first. In the summer, particularly, I have like 2 to 3 purses or bags or wallets going at once. I have like my regular purse and wallet, which is this. And then I have like my little, it's not like a fanny pack, it's like, but sort of like a sling, like, you know, the little bag, right? And then I have one sort of like that, but a little bigger. I had 3 of those, so I had to check all of those to see if I had money in them. And I found money in one of them, but even with that, I don't have much at all. So that's okay. You know, we're going to work with what we have. It's just going to be a really little itty bitty little tiny baby, savings challenge stuffing, but that's fine. So here's the change that we're working with today. And there's still a couple of coins in there. There we go. I do save all the change because change is money too. And yes, it does add up. It's starting to get pretty heavy. We're halfway through the year. The jug is not nearly even halfway full, but there are a bunch of quarters in there. So go me, I guess. Okay, let's check out this rollover. So yeah, this is what I found in the other little bag, and this is what I had in my wallet, and I was like, oh, I have less than $20 of rollover, and I was so bummed about it. And then I found this, and I was like, yay! It's still not a lot at all, but it's better than what I did have. So let's see, we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 1, 2, 3. 33 bucks. What are you gonna do? It's 33 more than, you know, than, oh, I don't know what I'm trying to say. Okay. All right, let's see. Let's get the planner out and see what we're doing. So this is my bright, undated budget planner. This spiral bound version is sold out, unfortunately. However, you can get the regular bound version, like the soft cover, like non-spiral bound version, available on Amazon. I do have other budget planners on Amazon as well. I have a seasonal one. I have like a marble, like neutral kind of black and white one. Do I have one more? I don't know. You can go check out all my books on Amazon. They're always linked below in my description. This one's just nice and bright and colorful. And for a while, I've been thinking about designing another one. I just haven't gotten to it. Hopefully I can get to that soon because half the year is gone already. It's crazy. You guys, look at this note I made for myself. Look at this note. Ugh, yuck. My mortgage is going up by $42. It's due the 1st of every month. So, okay, so I'm paying my mortgage this month, July, which is like the August, you know, the August mortgage. It's due August 1st. So next month in August for my budget, I have to budget $42 extra, for, you know, when I'm paying it for September. So I don't know how that's going to look. I might not be able to do like any sinking funds. We're going to have to see, but things are going to get even tighter. And that's just life. You know, we're just going to roll with it. I haven't done my budget yet, but it is what it is. Okay. So let's see, let's get the cash out. See what we're doing. I think this is just 100. Okay, I thought I saw extra money in there, but no. I guess that was just wishful thinking. I think this is just 160, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 160. So that means I do need a little bit of change. Before I forget, let's do this and knock things over. I do have this finish challenge. I'm gonna go ahead and stuff this first. And this is for birthdays. I finished this in my last savings challenge stuffing, and I would be completely lying to you if I didn't say that yes, I did have to go back and check what this challenge was going towards, because yes, I did forget. So $51 here is going to be added to our birthdays fund, which is excelente. So let me go ahead and add 51 over here on my tracker. Okay, and this challenge was a sticker challenge from Liz over at Liz and Less. I will add this to my finished challenge envelope. Let's just make sure it is 51, 25, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 51. So that was 51, 71, 91, 111, oh boy, 16. Wow, just put it together and count it, Wendy, because this is ridiculous. I just didn't want to have to count the whole thing over again, but clearly I just have to. Okay, so 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 41. 141. Perfect. Wow. This was up to like, I want to say this was up over 300. It was, and now it's 141, but you know, it was spent, and that's what it's there for. So hopefully I can get this built back up by the end of the year, because you guys know my kids' birthdays are in the beginning of the year, and I always kind of scramble at the end of the year to get things built up. And so, yeah. Okay, how are you guys? I hope you're doing well. We are leaving on vacation August 3rd. That's like less than a week and a half now. What? That is crazy. Crazy. Okay, so we're doing just 2 sinking funds. Why did I put that binder away? I don't know. Okay, vacation and prime. So here's what I'm gonna do. Vacation, I'm gonna put in my savings challenge instead of my sinking fund, because I made a decision. This is the wrong binder. I decided I'm going to take the cash on vacation from this challenge and not from my sinking fund. I have about 500 or a little over 500 in my vacation sinking fund currently. And this I was using to try to save up about 500 to take on vacation with me while we're leaving in like a week and a half, like I said, or less than a week and a half now. And I obviously didn't get there. That's okay. I didn't think I would. But I'm going to take this money. This should be all or almost all real cash. And so I don't need to take anything out of the bank. I could just completely just take this out of the envelope and take it with me. And I told you guys, we're going to put 10. So let me see if I have change for a 20. I told you guys I wanted to bring 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Boom. I told you guys I wanted to bring 500 with me. I changed my mind. I'm going to bring whatever this is. It's like 200 and some, because why do I need 500? I don't. That's the answer. I just don't. Whenever we go, especially with the kids, I barely spend any money. I don't get a lot of time in the casino because I have the kids. My daughter does not like to go to the kids club, so, you know, I don't get adult time. Obviously, kids can't go to the casino. All right, so let me take 10 back out and put it back here in vacation. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And stick that in here. And then I'm going to color in this 10. So that's one place on the ship where I would spend money is in the casino. Can't go there. And then the only other place I would spend money is when we go into port. We're going to their private island, which I would just use my cruise card for. That would go to the credit card on file. We're going to the Bahamas. If I spend any money there, it would be extremely minimal, like less than 50, probably less than 20, probably less than $10. And then Florida, we probably won't even get off the boat. So I don't really need any cash. And so me trying to take $500, that's just completely unnecessary. As far as other expenses like gas, things like that, my husband's covering all that. I told you guys, like, I paid for pretty much our entire vacation we went on in April, so he's covering basically this entire vacation. The only other thing I might need money for, like cash, is on the drive down to port and back home. If we stop at a gas station or something and I want to buy a snack or a drink, you know, obviously I need cash for that, but that is literally it. So there you go. Okay, so let's see what this is. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 300, 1, 2, 3, 303. So perfect. That's going to be probably it. If I stuff anything in my savings challenge stuffing, you know, that might be it. Well, that will be it. Let me, blah, 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 blah. Can I rewind? I may stuff a little bit in here in my savings challenge stuffing. I may not, because I know I have so little this savings challenge stuffing, but that's going to be it. That's the last stuffing of this before I go away. And I think I'm probably going to try to finish these, you know, even when I come back, and just put this money towards my vacation sinking fund for the next vacation. And there we go. So that is that. That's the $10 towards vacation. We're going to check that off. Let's do the wallet, and then we will do Prime, and then we'll be finished. So this should be 150, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 41, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. Perfect. I am hoping not to spend a lot of this because we are going away. So I have this week of spending, but then the following week, you know, we'll be gone, and then I get paid on the 8th. We will be gone until the 10th. So I will get paid while we are away. So I'm hoping not to spend a lot of this, but this weekend we're actually going to a chicken wing festival. So, that's actually kind of pricey, so I'm definitely going to spend money there, but I'm hoping not to spend a whole lot. We'll see, because the couple days before we go away, we're probably going to get takeout. You know, I'm not going to be cooking before we go and things like that, and so who knows, that may all be gone. We'll see. Okay, last but not least, we're putting $10 into Prime. Now, normally I put $25 every month. And honestly, this month I was doing my budget and I put 10 towards Prime, and then I counted everything up and I'm like, oh shoot, I need to put 25 towards Prime. However, then I remembered that I put extra towards Prime in my monthlies, my savings challenge, where I put just a little extra every month. And so that gave me the leeway to be able to skip a month or not do as much in 1 month. And so I am okay just putting $10 this time. So as far as coloring, each one of these is 25, even though it says 20 here, which you may not even be able to see. It says 20 here, but they're actually 25 each. As far as coloring these, I don't know. I need to do like less than half. So I guess I'll just kind of do this. It doesn't really matter. And then hopefully whenever I stuff this the next time, I'll remember what color this was. And then I can color the rest. And hopefully remember that that means $10, but if not, whatever. Okay, so in Amazon Prime, we have 50, 100, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 155, and I know I told you guys quite a while back, This pays for Amazon Prime, of course, but also I pay yearly for Amazon Music, and I also pay for an Amazon Kids subscription. But I think this is going to be the last year for Amazon Kids, because the kids don't use the apps really that much anymore on the tablet. They really kind of just watch YouTube now. So I think I'm going to cancel it after the year's up. So however much that is, it's going to be less however much the kids subscription is, obviously. And the kids subscription is the cheapest of those. Like, it might only be 40 some a year, is it? Or maybe it's 80 some a year. I don't know. But anyway, that's all that to say is that, you know, that's going to be a little bit less. So hopefully, maybe that will be, you know, maybe I'll have extra in there, and then that will give me a head start on saving for the following year for Amazon Prime. Did you get that? Okay. Am I all over the place? Sort of. Okay. That's it for this one. How are you? I hope you're well. I hope you're having a great weekend. Okay. Reminder, the last day to order physical items in the Etsy shop is July 31st. Everything will be shipped out before I leave. I leave on August 3rd. There is a current sale in the Etsy shop. If you want to grab anything, I suggest you do it now. Next video is going to be savings challenge stuffing. I am planning to try to have videos the entire time I'm away so that it's just like I'm not away. So, you know, I'm hoping to be able to do that. We'll see. It's going to depend on money and everything like that. Is there anything else I have to tell you guys? I don't know. I do already have the August member exclusive savings challenge designed because, you know, I'm going away obviously the beginning of August, so I wanted to get a jump on that. It's already designed. I'm currently in the process of like creating it and making sure it all works out. Obviously, once I design it, I need to make sure it works. So I'm working on that now, and then once it does, I'll get everything made, but they're not going to actually be sent out until I return, which again, I come back on the 10th. So they'll be sent out that week after the 10th. The 10th is a Sunday, and so they'll be sent out that week, from the week of the 11th, one of those days, which is still on time for when I normally send them out. So, you know, they won't be late or anything like that. Because I won't have time to get them out, I don't think, before I go. So that's that. But the reveal video will be one of the videos that is posted while I'm away. So if you're curious about what you will be getting, look out for that. Okay, I am going to stop rambling. I love you guys. I'm so grateful you're here. Thank you. Thank you for your support. Woo! I'll see you in the next video. Bye!